Hello students, here we are going to learn about SONET SDH. So SONET Synchronous Optical Network is a current transmission and multiplexing standard for high-speed signals for optical transmission interface. A compatible version referred as Synchronous Digital Hierarchy known as SDH. SONET use TDM means time domain multiplexing as a way to multiplex lower bandwidth signals into one high capacity signal that can be sent over optical fiber in optical network. So SONET being synchronous network requires a single clock to handle the timing synchronization and equipment across the network. The physical specification and the frame design must include mechanism that will allow it to carry signals from incompatible tributary system in the case of SONET or SDH. SONET is multiplexed transport mechanism and hence can be the carrier for broadband services such as like ATM, asynchronous transfer mode, and BISDN means broadband integrated service digital network. SONET is used in MAN network also, metropolitan area network and wide area network also. The typical architecture of SONET is collection of rings, although point-to-point connection are used well. The synchronous multiplex structure of SONET SDH provides significant reduction in the cost of multiplexing and demultiplexing. So SONET and SDH, so it also provides fast restoration schemes, meaning that in the case of a fiber cut or some other network failure, it has the capability to restore the services typically within 50 milliseconds. So the first point required for 50 millisecond approximately. SONET has extensive built-in features. So these features are used to provision connection in point-to-point and topologies to detect defect and to isolate the network failures. SONET and SDH avoid this problem by defining standard optical interfaces that enable interoperability between equipment from different vendors on the link. So the network include extensive performance monitoring, identification of connectivity and traffic type, identification and reporting of failures of network. The SONET and SDH standard incorporate extensive information for managing network. In case the network topology and specific protections techniques and associate protocols to provide high availability services. The SONET and standard have evolved to incorporate specific services also. SONET and SDH frame is always 125 microsecond long, a result of 8 kilohertz sampling regardless the bit transmission rate. SONET use a asynchronous transfer signal, so known as STS1, so of 51 Mbps as the basics of its hierarchy. SDH uses STM1 155 Mbps, which is the 3 times larger than STS as its basic unit. So next, SONET main characteristics. So first one, TDM multiplexing onto high capacity fiber system provided by SONET and SDH. Second, standard bitrate and frame format, fast restoration 50 millisecond. I'm just discussing this point in the previous slide also. Various network topology, mostly in the ring or bus also, star also is there. Operation, administration, maintenance and the provisions, ONIP operation is provided by SONET architecture. So some of the advantages of SONET network or SDH. So first, better network reliability. Provide a better network reliability. In case of failure, so recovery time with typically 50 milliseconds. Lower equipment investment for defining or architecture of SONET system. Better connectivity between different telecom carriers. Highly flexible architecture, which means that it can carry many applications created in the future too.